Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I will show you how to change default browser on Windows 10. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, over here I am here in my laptop. So to change default browser, first of all head on to this start and search for apps. Over here you can find apps and features. Click on this and over here you'll find multiple apps. Now go to this default apps on the left, scroll down and you'll find this web browser. Over here my default web browser is Google Chrome. If you want to change, just click on this and over here you'll find multiple options available on your laptop. For now I can go with any one from here. If I want to go for Firefox, just click on this and you can see our default web browser is set to Firefox. Now again, if you want to go to Google Chrome, click on this and go to this Google Chrome. And our default browser is again Google Chrome. So in this way we can change default browser on Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.